Hi, I'm Damini Celebre, and today we're going to touch on what is move in the Soulscape process.
This is to move just by the nature of bringing your attention to your body wisdom, your intuition and heart. You begin to create change, movement. And change can be informative and it can be scary. Movement is an invitation to allow whatever feeling or sensation or emotion to have an expression, a physical expression. When you move, you begin to allow your energy to flow. You start to lose grip on what should be or shouldn't be. You may feel the desire to move your body, a pencil, and begin to mirror the movement that you feel inside. So invite movement into your body, into your emotions, and into your energy.